Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to log out of Clash Royale. First, as you can see, you need to log in first into your Clash Royale account. And then after logging in, head into the hamburger icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. I want you to click this until you see this Supercell ID icon or button. Click this. And then click the gear icon here or the settings icon. And scroll a little until you see the logout button. So in order for you to log out in Clash Royale doesn't provide it directly. So you have to go first into the Supercell interface, which I did. So click the logout button. And then as you can see, Clash Royale has logged out our Supercell account or our Clash Royale account. And that's how you can log out your Clash Royale account, and thank you for listening.